Welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I am going to be unboxing a Wantable box. Wantable for me has been kind of hit or miss. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's really not great. I've done their style edit twice and it has been a total bust both times. In fact, both times did not even keep anything and lost my styling fee. That's how bad that was. This box is pretty heavy. I'm wondering if there are shoes in here. No shoes, just heavy. Lots of colors, lots of fall looking colors. See some denim. Let's look in here and see what we have. They provide you with a return address or a return envelope, and you can send it back USPS or UPS. And oh, jewelry. I will save that for last. See who my stylist is. Morgan. I have had Morgan before. So this. Oh, that's cute. Printed Cami in red and navy. This is Z Supply. And this is, it says the KC Model V-neck tee in black. Okay. And this is puff sleeve shirt tail printed tee in H gray by Democracy. That's cute. Very cute. I like the print. Looks promising. Here are jeans. These are the Ultimate High Rise Skinny by Kinsey. Got just enough distressing. And then it's got the raw hem, which I like. I like these. I do. Let's see what the back looks like. Just that little bit of distressing. Oh, and here, which I really like. I don't need the really heavy distressing. Okay. Olive pants. I got a really cute pair of olive pants in my last Stitch Fix. I kept them. They were really cute. These are cute too. These are completely different. This has a drawstring. This is by Liverpool. It's got the cuffed bottom. Really cute. These have a looser fit. Very cute. Okay. And then last we have a kimono. Yeah, there we go. Yes. A kimono. Very colorful. Very pretty, very light. So let me try them on and we will see what we think. Forgot the jewelry. Have here. These are nice. Just little hoops. These are oval studs. Stud? Is that a stud? In gold by Lou and Company. I think they're really cute. Let's try everything on and I will be right back. Okay, these are the High Rise Skinny in Pippa 2, it says, by Kinsey. And I think they're really cute. They're just too tight. I think when they're that skinny, I probably need to go up a size. And the top is the puff sleeve shirt tail printed tee, H gray by Democracy. I'm keeping it. I like this. Just can go with a lot of different things. It's a keeper. Next is the printed cami by Skies Are Blue. You can see it's lined. I think it's cute. I don't really need it. but I do think it's cute. This is the Lasden Kimono in Cobalt by Saatchi, and as you can see, there is a lot going on here. I think it would be a cuter swimsuit cover-up, but it is definitely not for me. Next is the Casey Modal V-neck tee in black by Z Supply. I think it's cute, very well made. I just have several black tees. The pants are the Utility Drawstring Pant in Olive Moss by Liverpool, and I think they're cute. But I did just get a pair of olive pants last week in my Stitch Fix that I actually like better. So I won't keep these. Okay, all in all, I thought this was an okay box. There were some things that I really liked. Some things I thought it was all cute. It just didn't work for me. So that's probably better than an okay job. So I think that Morgan did a good job. This is $48. I love the colors, and a kimono to me just has to fit just right. And I don't even know what exactly that is. I think I just, you know it when you put it on, and this one I did not. This one did not do anything for me, so that's a no. The Casey Modal V-neck tee in black, $39. I have several black tees, just basic black tees. This is the printed Cami in red navy by Skyzer Blue. It is $44. I'm really interested in fall clothes now, and this I liked, and this I will keep. This is the puff sleeve shirt tail printed tee by Democracy, and it is $39. These are the Utility Drawstring Pant in Olive Moss by Liverpool, and they are $98. And I definitely don't like them for $98, so these will go back. Then these, I really liked these. I wanted them to work, but these are the high-rise skinny in Pippa by Kenzie. These are $58. I could not sit down in them, so, and I barely got them zipped. So these are a 2, which I'm usually not a 2, so maybe that's, aren't they? Well, I don't know, it says Pippa 2. Yeah, they are. I don't know. Anyway, these were way too tight and not comfortable, so I will not keep those. I like these little earrings. I did not try them on because I don't know if I'm going to keep them. They're Lou and Company, and they are $28, so not bad at all. My Stitch Fix was a 5 for 5. Need to really like things before I buy them, but that is it for this Wantable unboxing. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.